How to bold text on a Facebook post. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can bold text in a Facebook post. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end in order to understand the video. And also make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So first of all, launch your Facebook app. After that, simply log into your account, and in order to create a post with a bold text, what you're going to do is you'll be able to see this interface on your home screen. So simply tap on this watch on your mind section. You'll be able to see that option very easily on your home screen. Simply tap on it, and here you can see this what's on your mind. So here you just need to type in the text that you want to convert into bold text. Right now I'm just typing a text. After that, what you're going to do is simply copy this text. Copy and close the Facebook app. After that, go to a browser or go to Google and there search for bold text generator and simply click on the very first link or any bold text generator. After that, you just need to simply paste that text that you just copied from Facebook, and below you will be able to see a bunch of options of bold text. So what you're going to do is simply copy the text that you want. I'm going to copy this for now. Long press on it and you can see this copy option here. After copying, just get back to the Facebook and delete the previous one. And here, you just need to paste the text that you just copied and simply hit that post. You may also edit it if you want. Edit your post. After that, simply hit that post. And when you go to your profile, you should be able to see this bold text post on your Facebook very easily. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to get your bold text post on your Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.